I'm so excited to check out and unbox the iPhone 15 Pro. Hi everyone, if we are new to another, my name is Jamie. On this channel, we do like to discuss tech, lifestyle, as well as solutions. But I do have a big old soft spot for Apple, their products, their services, and well, just everything. So if you do like those things as well, consider subscribing because tech season is just getting underway and we're getting started in proper fashion, the iPhone 15 Pro. Now, although at the end of the day, an iPhone is just an iPhone, the iPhone 15 Pro has been completely redesigned with all new, slightly rounded titanium edges, and it's available in 4 different color finishes. You have black titanium, blue titanium, white titanium. This here is the natural titanium. So lots of titanium there. And I was actually really surprised at how well the natural titanium was received over on Twitter. And that's the color that we opted for here. And I won't lie, I was tempted to go back to the Pro Max size. I really wanted to try out the 5x optical zoom thanks to that new tetraprism technology. The phone would have been 10% lighter thanks to the titanium, and the bezels were reduced, so the size of the phone overall was also reduced. So ultimately, I just decided to stick with my guns and go with the Pro size. Let's go ahead and see if I have made the right choice. Oh my God, this looks so good. Oh my God. And I will say it's light, but I don't think it's dramatically light. So it doesn't feel like a toy. This feels so good. This color, oh, is this coming across? This color looks so good. Oh my goodness, set this off. We do have USB-C now. I don't want to harp on that too much. The Pro models do have 3.0 transfer speeds. This is not a 3.0 cable. You'll have to buy that separately. The traditional iPhone 15 is also USB-C this year, which is great, and that is a 2.0 speed, so that's the speed of this cord here. We don't have any colorful Apple stickers. We do have our biodegradable paper here sticker, and a reminder that we need to activate eSIM. eSIM was okay last year. Again, I don't switch out my phone routinely once a year, which is routinely for some, but I don't think it's that wild. It is a braided USB-C cable, so thank you so much, Apple. Earlier in the day, when I was waiting for this to be unboxed, I realized that my car doesn't even have USB-C, so I have to buy another cable that's USB-A to USB-C since I can no longer use my old lightning cable. Okay, well, set this off. That looks great. And let's get to the moment of truth. Oh my God, where is my phone? So, if we have my regular phone, the screen is a little scuffed up. I'll say 10% lighter is on point, pretty accurate, but in the hands it does feel 10% lighter, but it's not a dramatic lightness. So it's not like, oh my God, this phone is so light. I actually don't have the always on display enabled here. Maybe this is the year I do try the always on display. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Oh boy. The iPhone 15 Pro also introduces other physical hardware changes. For the first time, the mute switch has been removed and replaced with an action button with over 9 customizable options, one of which can just be a Siri shortcut, which basically means you can set that to whatever you want. Also, for the first time in over a decade, the charging port has changed to a USB-C, but aside from charging, this port also allows the iPhone 15 Pro to deliver 3.0 transfer speeds, capture 4K 60 log footage to an SD card, or an external drive, or you could even provide a charge to other accessories like your AirPods. And although the camera sensor on the 15 Pro did not see any spec bumps on paper, the 48 megapixel wide lens has become even more dynamic and customizable, allowing you to change it from 22, 28, or 35 millimeters. Personally, I'm super excited about the 35 millimeter focal length, as I find that and the 50 are the most flattering when photographing people. Of course, all of this computational photography and other iPhone magic is capable to the power of the new A17 Pro chip. This is desktop performance in a smartphone. And of course, this was just an unboxing and initial first impressions of the iPhone 15 Pro, and color me impressed. Pun intended there, because this color looks absolutely stunning, much more in person than in the photos that I have seen, so I'm so excited. But don't forget that iOS 17 is available now, so you can update to that, and sometimes software really feels like a brand new phone experience. But let me know what features you'd like tested out. Typically, I just do a one and done unboxing of iPhones, but I would like to create future content. It needs to be content that's related to you. So let me know what features you'd like tested out down in the comment section. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, see ya.